So, you want to use SharePoint Designer 2007 to edit your website. That probably means you had a website you used to edit in FrontPage, and now you either no longer have FrontPage or FrontPage is creating problems on your computer. To find out if you have SharePoint on your computer, check the desktop for a link. If you don't find a link on the desktop, then click the Start button in the lower left-hand corner. That brings up a quick list of programs that are on your computer. Check that list for SharePoint. Or just type SharePoint in the search space as indicated. Wait a few moments while it says Searching. When that message goes away, it will either display items the computer thinks match your search, or a message saying no items match your search. If SharePoint is not on your computer, you can submit a request to tech support to have it installed. If it is on your computer, just click the SharePoint item in the list. When you choose SharePoint Designer from the list, you may see this pop up. If you do, disregard it and close it by clicking the red X. Next, you may see a message asking you if you want to make SharePoint the default web page HTML editor. You can choose either yes or no, but if you're going to continue using this computer to edit your page with SharePoint, you might as well select yes, though this setting may get overwritten by deep freeze. Now, SharePoint is open. Click on File, then select Open Site. In the space indicated by the arrow, you need to type the full URL of your site. The URL will start with http://hrsbstaff.ednet.ns.ca/ and then you'll type your username, which is the username for your staff.ednet email. Then click Open. Now you'll see this box asking for your username and password. In those spaces, you need to type the username and password for your staff.ednet email and click OK. Occasionally this will pop up again. If it does, just type your username and password a second time and click OK. SharePoint will probably take a few moments to connect to your website and get the details about your files. When it completes that process, it will present your file and folder list so you can start working. If you see that list presented twice, like here, just ignore the list in the larger right window. From here on, it's pretty much like FrontPage. You click on the folders in the left-hand list to open them and see the files, or you click on a file to open it in the larger window. If you see a screen of code like this, don't panic. Everything will be okay. Look near the bottom of the screen and notice where it says Design Split Code. Click on Design. There you go. You're in SharePoint and ready to start editing. From here on, it's very much like FrontPage. And like FrontPage, don't forget to save your changes before you close the program.